Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mortal Shell 2 game not launching or not opening, won't start, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first thing what you need to do is to check the system requirements of the game. So make sure our PC have all the required spec that is mentioned over here. And after that, try to launch the game. Check out all these requirements: storage, additional, DirectX, graphics, memory, and all of these. And after that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now here I am showing an example. Now right click on it. After that, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the application. From here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. After that, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, you have to select it, and after selecting it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for set device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back, remove the launch option, move to the next method. Next is to turn off overlays like MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, Razer Cortex, Discord, or several others. And after that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, wait for some time, and once the Windows is up to date, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, here you have to select the game, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference, select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to disable Steam overlays. So go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Here general, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to clear temp file. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type temp, press enter. Whatever the temp files you can see, simply select all and then click on the delete icon. So after deleting the temp files, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, run SFC scan. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for command prompt, the search for command prompt, and here you have to type SFC scan, press enter, and this will repair all the corrupted files and restore the missing files, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, you have to go below and here you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. Whatever option you get, click on it, click on yes, wait for some time, and after you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, launch the game and check. At the same time, you are also At the same time, you are also suggested to install the game on SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then you can suffer from several kinds of issues while playing the game. So for that, you can check it. Go to the Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on storage, and here you have to check whether your game is installed on SSD or on other drive. If it's on other drive, you have to select it, then click on move option. Now after that, uh, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed, select custom size, initial size, type 12288, and the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue is still continues, you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. So for that, press the Windows icon, click on power and select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Mortal Shell 2 game, and finally click on the play button to check if it's working.